Welcome to our lessons today. Today we shall be dealing with area. Remember, we finished the perimeter and area. We shall be handling some figures like trapezium, triangle, parallelogram, rectangle. So there's a question here. You are told find the area here. Find the area of the figure below. Find the area of the figure below. Find the area of the figure below. Then this is the figure now. This is the figure. Then here you are given 10 centimeter. Here you are given 5 centimeter. You are told find the area. Area of rectangle. Remember we learned the perimeter of rectangle. We say the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket length plus width. But area of a rectangle, area is equal to length times width. That's how we get the area of this rectangle. This side is called the length, this is the longer side, and this one is called the width. So length times width, you multiply now. You say 10 centimeter times 5 centimeter, which is equals to 50 centimeter squared area. That's how we get the area of the rectangle. That was question 1, so it is length times width. We go to now question 2. We go to now question 2. You are told now find the area. Still, we want to get the area of this figure. We want to get the area of this figure. The area of this figure. Remember, this figure is called trapezium. This one is called trapezium. It's called trapezium. This one is called trapezium. Trapezium, this line is parallel to this line. So it has a pair of parallel lines. So it has a pair of parallel lines now. This one, this line we call it A, and this one is B, and this one is H height. So when I want to get now the area of the trapezium, the formula is now area of trapezium is equal to a half into bracket A plus B into bracket times H. So what it means now, you add these two, then you divide it by 2. You add this line and this line, then you divide it by 2. You get the half of the sum of these two lines. Then you multiply it by the height. So let's say now this line is 10 centimeter. And this line is, let's say, is for example 5 centimeter. And this line is 3 centimeter. So if I want to get now, this line is, let's say, is 6 centimeter. If I want to get now the area of this one, the formula says a half into bracket A. A is 6 centimeter plus B, which is 10 centimeter, into bracket times height. This one is the distance. So the distance in between the two parallel lines, sometimes they will tell you the distance in between the two parallel lines is 3. So if you hear the distance in between the two parallel lines, that is the height times H, which is 3 centimeter. So body mass, we deal with the bracket. So we say 6 plus 10, which is equal to 16 centimeter. So a half times 16 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter by 2, 1 by 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24 centimeter square area. 24 centimeter squared. So you get the area of this trapezium. You say a half into bracket A plus B times height. So A plus B, you add 6 plus 10, you get 16. So a half of 16, so you say a half times sum of these two lines, which is 16 times height, which is 3. So by 2, 1 by 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24 centimeter squared. That's how we get the area of that figure. There's also another figure here. There's also another figure here. There's also another figure here. There is that figure. Here you are told this line, you are told it's 6 centimeter. This line from here to here is 14 centimeter, and then from here to here is 8 centimeter. Here is 8 centimeter. Here is 8 centimeter. Then you are told now to find the area. Remember, in perimeter we learned such a figure. But now we want to get the area. If I want to get the area, what I will do, I will divide this figure into 2. So I will dot this line. So doing that way now, I have now 2 figures now. This rectangle and this one now. And remember, sorry, here is 4 centimeter. So now you work out the area of this figure, you work out the area of the upper figure, then you add. That's how you get. Now look here. From here to here is 14. From here to here is 8. So this line, when it is full like this, it should be also 14. So since from here to here is 14, and from here to here is the same as from here to here. So it's 8. So what is remaining now, here will become 6 now. That line will become 6. And here will become also 8. So that's how you get 14. So from here to here is the same as from here to here, which is 8. So 14 minus 8 is 6 now. So let us go back to this one now. This line, from here to here, it's 6. If from here to here, it's 6 now. And from here to here is 4. So here is 4, here will be 4. About 4, about 4. So the whole of this line now, from here to here, will be 6 plus 4, 10. So the whole of this line now, from here to here, for example, from here to here, will be 10 now. That's how you get. So now we say, let us work out the area of this rectangle. So we say length times width. Length, which is 8 centimeter, times the width 4 centimeter. Length times width, you get 32 centimeter squared. Hii ambayo iko chini. Ile iko juu now, the upper one, is length times width now. The length is now from here to here. From here to here, it's 6. From here to here is the same as from here to here is 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. So we say, then the width here is 6 now. So we say length times width. Length, which is now 10 centimeter, times the width, which is 6 centimeter. So you will get 60 centimeter squared. Now what do? We added the 2 now. Let us add the 2. So we say 60 centimeter squared plus 32 centimeter squared. This one is equals to 92 centimeter squared. That's how you get the area of that figure. I said in this figure, you divide it into 2. So you make this line full, you dot it now. From here to here, it's 6. From here to here is 4. From here to here is also before. This line resembles this one. So the whole of this line will be 10. From here top to the bottom is 14. From here to up to this juncture is 8. So from here to here is also 8. What is remaining now from here to here will be 6. So when you add 8 plus 6, you will get 14. So now we get the area of this figure. So length times width, 8 times 4, 8 times 4, 32. What is remaining is this one. 10 times 6, it's 60. You add, you get that figure, area of that figure. You get 92 centimeter squared. There's also another figure here. You are told find the area. You are told find the area. You are told find the area. The figure is like this. The figure is like that. Then you are told here it's 16 centimeter. And here is 5 centimeter. You are told find the area. When I want to get the area of this figure, remember it is a triangle. And it's a triangle, it's a kind of a right angle triangle because this line is a perpendicular line where it's meeting the base is 90 degrees. So I want to get the area. So area of a triangle is equal to a half times base times height. That's how we get the area of a triangle. So this line is the base. And this line, the dotted one, is height, is the perpendicular height because it's meeting the base into 90 degrees. So a half times base, which is 16 centimeter, times height, which is 5 centimeter, by 1 by 8 centimeter. 8 times 5 is 40 centimeter squared. That's how we get the area of this triangle. So a half times base times height. A half times 16 times 5 by 2 by 2, 1 by 2, 8. 8 times 5 is 40 centimeter square. That's how we get the area of that figure. Here there is a question you are told. The area of rectangular piece of wood is 6. The area of a rectangular piece of wood, the area of a rectangular piece of wood is 6 centimeter squared. Then you are told the length of the wood, full stop, the length of the wood, the length of the wood is 4 centimeter. The length of the wood is 4 centimeter. What is its width? What is its width? What is its width? Now they're asking, they said a rectangular, it's a rectangle. A rectangular, it's a rectangle. That's a rectangle. A rectangular wood piece of land, the area, now the whole area is 6 centimeter squared. The length of the wood is 4 centimeter. Length, this is the length, 4 centimeter. So what is its width? They're asking the width. So remember, when you are given the area, you use the formula for getting area. When you are given total perimeter, you use the formula for getting perimeter to substitute the other side. So now what we do, so remember the area is equal to length times width. That was our formula. Area is equal to length times width. So which is equal to now length, which is 4 centimeter, times the width is what they are asking. We don't know. I'm just following the formula. Is equal to now total area 6 centimeter squared. So we multiply now. 4 times W is 4W is equal to 6 centimeter squared. I want to get the value for of W. You divide both sides. So alpha 4, cancel. W is what's remaining is equal to by 2 by 2 3, which is equal to now 3 alpha 2. We further simplify now. One whole number, 3 divided, how many 2s are in 3? 1. Because of 2, remainder 1.5. So, or 1.5 centimeter. That's how we get the width. So, I'm repeating. They said the area is 6 centimeter squared. They say that the length is 4 centimeter. They're asking the width. The width is, so you use the formula for getting area. Length times width. Length, which is 4, times width, W, we don't know, is equals to total area, 6. Kama ni perimeter, tulisema you say 2 into bracket, length plus width is equal to the perimeter you are given. So length, which is 4, times width is 4W, is equals to total area. Alpha 4, cancel. By 2, 2. By 2, 3. W is equals to 3 alpha 2. We further simplify because the denominator is greater. So how many 2s are here? 1 because of 2, remainder 1. So 1 alpha 2 or 1 whole number and a half or 1.5 centimeter. That's how we get that figure. That's how we get that figure. Here there's another figure. Yeah, there's another figure. Then you are told find the area. Oh, so this is a square. If I want to get the area of this square, what I will do, the formula was area is equal to side times side. Area is equals to side times side, which is equals to 8 centimeter. The other side is also 8. All sides are equal to square times 8 centimeter, which is equal to 64 centimeter squared. That's how we get the area of that figure. There's another question here. You are told what is the area of a square whose perimeter is this. What is the area of a square what is the perimeter of a square whose area is 16 centimeter squared? What is the area of the what is the perimeter of a square whose area is this? Remember, a square here we said all sides are equal. This is a square. This is a square, all sides are equal. Then you are told what is the perimeter. Perimeter, remember, we said is the distance all the way around the figure, going around the figure. That's what is called perimeter. So now they have given us the area now. So they say the area is 16 centimeter squared. They have given the area, they said it is 17 centimeter squared. And they're asking the perimeter. What they're asking is the perimeter. If I want, I cannot get the perimeter unless I get the sides or the length. The length, the sides are same. And remember we said square, all sides are equal. So for me to get to the side first, when you are given an area, you square root. Area, you square root. Area, you square root. But when you are given perimeter, to get the side, you divide it by 4 sides, perimeter going round. So the 4 sides. But when you are given an area to get to the length or the side, you square root. So what we do now, we want to get the square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So here is 4. Two same numbers where you multiply, that will give you 16 is 4. That's the square root. 4 times 4 is 16. So one side is 16, now it's 4 now. But now they're not asking the side. What they're asking is, what they want is the perimeter now. But they don't want the length. So perimeter is equals to perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is equal to side. We have already learned that one. Side times 4. Side, which is now 4 centimeter, times 4 centimeter. So side times 4. Side is 4 times 4. The formula is saying 4. Side times 4, it's 16 centimeter. Now that's how we get the perimeter. Or to get the perimeter, you can add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. You add, you get 16. So side times 4. So in short, when you are given an area, to get the side, you square root. When you are given a perimeter, to get the side, you divide it by 4. So now it's area square root. Area square root. Area square root. Square root of 16 is 4. So when you get 4 now, perimeter, 4, you add 4 times. So times 4, you get 16 centimeter square. That's how we get that figure. That's how we get that figure. You are told find the side, mark the A. Here you are told find the side, mark the A. Find the side, mark the A. Then this is the figure now. They say to find the side, mark the A. They say here is 5 centimeter. Here is A. Then they say the 40 centimeter squared. Remember, this is the area now. They have not indicated A, but it's supposed to be area. When you see centimeter squared, E is square. Whenever you see centimeter squared, that's not a side or a length. It is the area squared. So now they said find the side, mark the A. They wanted this one. I'm given the area. I already said whenever you are given an area, total area, you use the formula for getting area to get the other side. I've already said that. So area is equals to, now remember this is a rectangle, length times width. Area is equal to length times width. Length, which is A, we don't know, times the width, which is 5. The other one they were asking the width. But this one now they are asking the length. The other one we said times W. We never knew. But now they have given us the width, they want the length. A times 5 centimeter is equal to now 40 centimeter squared, the total area. So A times 5 is 5 centimeter is equal to 40 centimeter squared. I want to get the value of A. When I want to get the value of A, alpha 5, cancel, cancel. What is remaining now? A centimeter is equal to by 5, 1 by 5 is 8 centimeter squared. So it's equals to 8 centimeter squared by centimeter 1. So A is equals to, in short, 8 centimeter. So you divide it. What do? You say 40 divided by 5, you will get 8 in simple way. That's how we get. So to get one side, whenever you're given the area of a figure, a rectangle, to get the other side, you divide the area by the side you are given. In short, 40 divided by 8, 40 divided by 5, 8. And when here is 8 and they want this one, you say 40 divided by 8, you get 5. That is how we do that question. Then the last one now, the last one, there is that figure. Then they said now here you are given 5 centimeter, and then they said here is 4 centimeter. They said here is 4 centimeter. So now this one is a parallelogram. It's a parallelogram. It's a parallelogram. This one is a parallelogram. Remember, parallelogram, we said it has some characteristics. We said that opposite sides are parallel and equal. So this side is parallel to this side and they're equal. This one is parallel to this side and they're equal. So now we want to get the area of a parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equals to, now area is equals to base length. Area is equals to base length times height. Area of parallelogram is equals to base length times height. The base length times the height. This is the height, the perpendicular height they have given us. So now, which is equal to now, base length is this line, which is 5 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter, which is equal to now 5 times 4 is 20 centimeter squared. That's how we get the perimeter of rectangle. Very easy as Juakali. So we say now base length times height. So it's as easy as alphabets. So we say base length times height. Base length is 5 times the perpendicular height. Remember, the perpendicular height is this one. This is the perpendicular height. This is the perpendicular height. So now base length times height, which is 5 centimeter times 4, you will get 20 centimeter squared. So for today we shall stop it there. I will be sending some questions below the video. So we'll be doing, I think, with those few remarks. Wish you all the best.